Introduction. In today's fast-paced digital world, understanding the fundamentals of digital marketing is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in business. From social media to search engine optimization, digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies that can help businesses reach their target audience effectively. Join us as we delve into the basics of digital marketing for beginners in 2024 and discover how you can leverage these tools to grow your brand online. Understanding digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the use of online channels like social media, email, and search engines to promote products or services. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing offers a more targeted approach, allowing businesses to reach specific audiences with personalized messages. The benefits of digital marketing include increased brand visibility, higher engagement rates, and measurable results. Successful campaigns like Nike's Just Do It demonstrate the power of digital marketing in driving consumer engagement and loyalty. Setting marketing goals. Setting smart marketing goals is essential for the success of digital campaigns. By defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives, beginners can track their progress and stay focused on achieving results. Aligning marketing goals with overall business objectives ensures that efforts are strategic and contribute to the company's growth. Remember to create a realistic timeline to keep yourself accountable and motivated throughout the marketing journey. Creating a digital marketing strategy. Developing a successful digital marketing strategy involves understanding your target audience's demographics, preferences, and behaviors. By creating engaging and relevant content tailored to different platforms, you can effectively reach and resonate with your audience. Selecting the right marketing channels, such as social media, email, or search engines based on your target audience and campaign objectives, is crucial for maximizing your reach and engagement. Implementing SEO techniques. Enhance your website's visibility and drive organic traffic by implementing basic search engine optimization (SEO) techniques. Start with keyword research to identify relevant terms for your content, then optimize your pages with on-page SEO strategies and build quality backlinks to improve your site's authority. Remember to regularly update your content, stay informed about SEO best practices, and adapt to algorithm changes to maintain your search rankings. Engaging on social media. Social media plays a vital role in digital marketing by connecting businesses with their target audiences. To create a strong online presence, focus on crafting shareable and interactive content that resonates with your followers. Analyzing social media metrics can help you track the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy. Stay engaged with your audience and consistently provide value to build a loyal online community. Measuring success with analytics. Digital marketing analytics tools provide valuable insights into campaign performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions for optimal results. By interpreting key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics, you can assess the effectiveness of your strategies and identify areas for improvement. Continuously monitoring and optimizing your digital marketing efforts based on analytics insights will help you stay ahead of the competition and achieve your business goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering digital marketing requires setting smart goals, developing a comprehensive strategy, and leveraging analytics for success. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential in the dynamic digital landscape. By implementing the insights shared in this video and exploring additional resources, viewers can enhance their digital marketing skills and drive impactful results for their businesses. Stay proactive, stay informed, and watch your online presence thrive.